Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of our same channel. My name is Peter. In this video I'm going to talk about restoring faded trims. This is a very common question on detailing groups, forums. So let's give it a go. I'll explain you how we deal with exterior trims, what products we use for what sort of jobs. These days the market is full of different products for any aspects when it comes to detailing. We have selection of different products that we can use for trims, starting from ceramic coatings. Then we have trim restorers that are like a dyes. So these products are for black trims. Then we have another trim restorer. This product can be used on any colors. The product is sort of yellowish but is almost colorless. Then what we have here is we have three different exterior dressings, and then we have here tire dressing that can be also used for exterior trims. Most of people, when it comes to exterior trim dressings, ask which one is the best. Let's give it a go. Let's test some of them. We'll try to find out which would be the best one for you or for the job you're doing. Before I start the test, I'll just give you advice from my 13 years of experience in detailing. When it comes to any products, like there's no such a thing like the best product. That's because every plastic that you have on cars is different. So like one plastic will absorb the product nicely, will give that nice finish, where you use the same product on another trim and it won't work completely or will give poor finish. Another very important thing when it comes to durability of dressings or the finish is how you prep the surface before applying the product. Some plastics on older cars, they go nearly white. Initially when they were brand new, they were black or dark gray, but at some stage they go white. In some cases, it's not that the plastic faded to that point, but actually because of using strong chemicals for maintenance of the vehicle, they turn nearly white. So to have nice finish and proper durability of any product, the proper cleaning is as important as choosing a good product for the trim. So how to clean exterior trims correctly? Obviously when you wash in the car, you're gonna give it good clean. If it's newer car, that would be effective enough. In case of older cars where there's lots of residue, lots of dirt, or even residue of chemicals, then you need to use like all-purpose cleaner, use brush, and give good agitation to the trim. So I'm gonna give it a go on this trim on Park, so we'll see the difference between dirty trim and clean trim. So for cleaning the trim, I'm going to use some of all-purpose cleaner, and I agitate it with a brush. So let's see what sort of dirt is on the trim. Now I'll go again just to make sure we have it right. So now the surface is clean, we'll let it to dry and then we'll see the real difference in there. In this case, cleaning with all-purpose cleaner and brush done the job perfectly. However, sometimes I had trims that they were very, very bad. Cleaning like that would take you ages, or you wouldn't just clean it because there wouldn't be enough cleaning power. So for those cases, what I use sometimes is I use magic eraser with all-purpose cleaner. So I clean it once with the magic sponge, then I'm going to do it again just to double check. So magic sponge overall is perfect solution for cleaning plastic like this, texture plastics. If you have glossy surface, then don't use this for cleaning because you could cause some damage as the magic sponge is slightly abrasive. But for this sort of job, it's perfect because there is no top coat, you won't damage anything if you go gently with the magic sponge. So let's give it a go and we'll try the products. So we have the products applied. We can judge the look of the products now. Obviously, when you're applying exterior dressings, coatings, whatever, always make sure you wipe off the product after to remove the excess. So by looking at the products here, the best look, well, this is sort of black trim. So the best look we got from these two products, Solution Finish and Paul Black Trim. The next two, I would say, they'll be Nielsen exterior dressing and Swag exterior dressing. The rest are pretty much the same. The one that actually looks the worst, in my opinion, is Sonak's plastic restorer, which at the start actually looked the best, was given the best finish, but after a good wipe, this product is gone. Or maybe it just needs to be left for a bit longer. I don't know, I will test that after. So now let's talk about durability of the products. Obviously we cannot test these products on this panel as it's not going back to the car for another while, but I have tested most of these products, so I know which ones are the most durable. Starting from coatings, obviously they're gonna give the most durability. These two products, 12 months to 24 months. First one is G-Technic C4 and second one is Clintel Admire. When it comes to G-Technic C4, this is coating dedicated for trims, where when it comes to Clintel Admire, this coating is for all surfaces. You can use it on paint, you can also use it for trims. When it comes to trim restorers, in most cases they should give good durability. I've tested Finish Solution 6 months plus. Also Bright or One gives that durability. When it comes to Paul's trim restorer, I tested it for about two months, was doing really well, so it will last for a little bit longer, definitely, maybe also more. I haven't tested this product much, so I couldn't say what sort of durability is from this product at all. Another product we have here, trim dressings, exterior trim dressings, Nielsen exterior dressing, Swag exterior dressing, and ADBL Black Outer exterior dressings. These products last for about 4 to 6 weeks. And the last product, ADBL Blackwater, this product lasts 2-3 weeks on the trims. However, this is tire dressing, so you cannot expect massive durability from that product. So where do we use these products? When it comes to coatings like the G-Technic C4 or Clintel Admire, we use them for jobs where we do car with ceramic coating. We do new car protection, that's where we use them. Well, as I said, this is only for trims. This one, when you use this coating for the paint, we just treat the trims with the same coating and it does the job. When it comes to faded plastics, I always use restorers because I want to bring back the color, bring back the best look of that plastic there. Most of the time I use Bright or One. If this product doesn't offer the finish I be expecting, I always try Solution Finish. In some cases I also try this product. But like for restoring faded plastics, this is my go-to product. For jobs that customer is on the budget and the trims are relatively new, looking good, I be using these products here. They do the job. These products can be treated also as a maintenance products. If you apply your dressing every couple of weeks, these 3 products will do you perfect. When it comes to Blackwater, of course, as the product doesn't offer much durability, I don't use it as a main dressing. I use it as a top-up. Also the product, comes as a liquid, so it's sprayable. So for grills, like honeycomb grills or very difficult to reach grills, this product does the job. Yeah. When it comes to prices for the products, obviously coatings are the most expensive ones. You get small bottle and you pay the biggest price. Then trim restorer from Solution Finish, it's about €45 for 350 milliliters, so it's also quite expensive. Dressings are around €15-20 for bottle. Like here we have half-liter bottle, here we have 250, but that's around €10. Or one, €15 for 250 milliliter bottle. I think when it comes to price for the product, Or One would be the product that you get the most for the money. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do hydrophobic test on the products. I left the panel for about 1 hour and a half. Unfortunately, we didn't have more time to let the products to cure. Ideally, if you're applying the exterior dressings, you need to give them a couple of hours for sort of full cure. Now in this case, we can see that all products give some sort of hydrophobic properties. However, I think hour and a half wasn't enough for the products to give all the properties. I know some of the products here will give very nice hydrophobic properties when they're fully set. I'm sure some of you are going to tell me that using heat gun is the best solution for restoring plastics, and it is something that I used in the past. I don't do it anymore. However, let's give it a go and see what's gonna happen on this plastic. Now the result we got with the heat gun isn't too impressive in this case. However, on some plastics you will get way nicer finish. The reason why I'm not using this method anymore is because it's actually not durable. I prefer to restore plastics with the products, repeat it in a few months time. That's because if you restore the plastics with a heat gun, the surface is gonna go faded again within a few months time. Then if you repeat using the heat gun every time, over a few years you will burn the plastics to the point where you won't be able to restore them at all, even with the restorers. So personally, for my car, for my customers' cars, I prefer to use product, restore the look of the plastics for whatever length of time is required, and then just advise customer to get product for that if they want to keep the car in excellent condition. So to recap this video, there is no very best product for everyone, for every surface. When I'm looking at these products, is the best durability and protection you want to get from coatings, the best look you'll get from this. Obviously depends on what sort of plastics you're working on, and the most price efficient product will be this one. That's because of durability that it offers. So that's everything in this video. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If you have any questions, comment below. Also, let me know in the comments what way you approach exterior plastics. If you like this type of content, make sure to subscribe my channel, and see you on the next one.